Hey guys, back at you again with another exclusive listing, this time here in Kingsland Crest, Christchurch. So we have here a 3 bedroom, 3 bathroom property. As you can see, you have your EV charging point right there, parking behind the gates for at least one vehicle. So let's go in. So you have 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms on the ground floor. Just came through the entry. There is a bonus room right here. So showing upstairs first and then come back downstairs. All right, so let's go upstairs. So just under 2,000 square feet of floor area, and the land area is just above 4,500. Built in 2002. Nice open plan design. The kitchen was upgraded. And this property comes with the appliances, stove, fridge. There is also a dishwasher near the sink. You have additional living space right here. This could be a TV room or whatever your heart desires. High ceilings. Go in this corner so you could appreciate the space. So just a quick recap, 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms. The primary suite is upstairs with the other 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms downstairs. So we just came up the stairs to the top floor. Not the best weather today, but at least you could still get an idea of the layout of the property. That's the view. So going into the primary suite now. Air conditioning in all the bedrooms. So it's quite a breezy property. If you choose to open up the property fully, breeze will just flow coming through. So you got your double sinks, shower, and jacuzzi tub. You would notice the glass doors right there could slide back if you want to open up the view to your bedroom, maybe watch TV from the tub. So to give you a bit of history on this property, I sold this property when I was just 20 years old to these remarkable clients. And as you would know, the cycle of real estate, they're now downsizing. So kids all grown. So all of this space is no longer needed. So that's the only reason that they're selling. So extremely grateful that after 20 plus years, these sellers came back to me to list and sell this property. So you have a full bathroom here. We're on the ground floor now. So we just came out of that bedroom. So now we're in the third bedroom. Remember, air conditioning in all the bedrooms. You have closet space right up to the ceiling. And then another full bathroom. Shower. So you could access the bonus room from either coming out of this bedroom or just off of the main entry. So I'll go back to the main entry so you get a proper idea of the flow. So as you would remember, we just came down from the top floor. So I showed you 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms on the ground floor. That's the main entry. So part of this massive space that you're seeing right now used to be the garage, but they enclosed the space because they wanted more living space. Let me go to the other end so you get an appreciation for the size. Behind this door is the laundry nook with a sink for your washer and dryer. So that's the other end if you came out of the last bedroom I showed you. So check out this massive bonus room you could use for whatever your heart desires. Maybe set up a 4th bedroom, games room, TV room. And this is one of my favorite parts about the property. This is also a new addition. You have here a huge patio. Let me go in one corner so you could appreciate the space. Check out the size of this patio, so perfect for entertaining. So you do have a bit of green space on the outside. At the rear you have a backup water tank with pump. You got your big 100-pound gas cylinders. Let me go back to the front. So if you have a green thumb, you have a bit of green space to do your planting. So I noticed that there's comments a lot of times about why we don't quote the price in the video, but the reason behind that is just in case if the price changes in the future, you wouldn't want to take down the video then to edit to re-upload it. So please click on the description to see all the details about this property. Repeating for you again for easy reference, 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, massive bonus room. There is a charging port for your EV. So we're back here at the front. Built in 2002. Just under 2,000 square feet of floor area. The land is just over 4,500. Here's the EV charging port. So you have your bit of green space right here. The massive patio. Let me see if I could show you the other side just to give you a idea of the space. You have some green space on this side of the house as well. There is also an enclosed area, maybe if you have dogs and you want to put them up if you're entertaining. So hope you enjoy this tour of our new exclusive listing in Kingsland Crest, Christchurch. You're close to Kooyman, Kendall Hill gas station, Sheraton Mall, Highway 7, you name it. Breezy, quiet neighborhood. So I would imagine this one would not be on the market for too long. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our office number 246-426-9469. Our website, but you could easily click the link in the description, www.globalestateagency.net, and follow us on socials, Global Estate Agency on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. We're also on LinkedIn. So hope you take care until our another video tour. So here's a front view again of our new exclusive in Kingsland Crest, Christchurch.